The past 5 years, we have done a lot of good expansion in our group. We have built almost 4 manufacturing facilities of a different project, different products, reasonably good size. So, and then the joint ventures have also happened. So, our first focus is the consolidation.
Right.
But at the same time, we have some power equipment products in our mind that we are going to expand into in the coming years. So India, as the economy grows, will always keep on expanding in our current portfolio. And of course, we are very dynamic people. So any good opportunity comes which we feel we can handle, which we feel we have the expertise to handle, we'll definitely look into it and expand in that.
Yes, and you know, this definitely comes to our mind when we talk about expansion and the way you have diversified, and just as आपने अपने wings फैलाए all across the globe.
Yes.
When you go across and abroad,
Yes,
India के
yes.
बाहर आप जाते हैं, and you look for developing a business venture and a partnership,
yes.
आप नए लोगों से मिलते हैं. Have you any kind or any time faced any kind of inhibitions from people because we don't share a common language, we don't share common skin, we
Yes.
don't share common sex for that matter also,
Yes.
or for that matter common perceptions also and thoughts.
Yes.
Do you have ever faced any kind of reluctancy from people abroad जब आप दूसरे देशों में गए and आपने business ventures शुरू करने चाहे partnership में?
Actually, this is where education and background comes
Come
into
into play.
place, which helps you to grow in life in these
Right.
sectors. Now, thanks to my father, I got a lot of international exposure at a young age.
Right.
So when I go abroad, I am quite used to culture of many of the countries I travel
Developing
to.
faith is also a very important aspect over here.
Yes,
किसी भी because आप कहीं जाके एक partnership शुरू करेंगे तो वो एक नया इंसान, एक नया company, एक नया firm,
जी.
and that too from a different language.
हाँ जी.
So एक faith development जो होता है वो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है इस चीज़ में. How much do you think calls for you to come into play on that front over here?
Well, first thing in developing faith with someone is that you have to be an honest person. You have to give him the confidence that you are an honest partner to work with. You have the expertise to get into that line. So you should be very professional in your approach. So with that feeling and with that mindset, if you go to a business dealing, you can develop that relationship.
Right.
वो honesty होना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
And that shows on the face also. वो अपने आप में
Yes.
एक इंसान पहचान भी सकता है जो business mind से होगा. It can
हाँ,
just come out
क्योंकि
at
वो
times.
इतने लोगों से मिलते हैं.
हाँ.
अच्छा, अब I must acknowledge the fact that I have a background of a 28-year-old group. तो जब मैं बताता हूँ कि हमारे इतने पार्टनर्स हैं, इतने लोगों ने हमारे साथ काम किया है,
Already builds.
तो एक कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है, अरे अगर वो भी काम कर रहे हैं तो अच्छा ही होगा. Then they go into detail, then you give them
Yes,
that confidence.
right.
Like this joint venture I spoke about, the recent one which has happened, this is a 117-year-old corporation, and they studied us for more than 1 year. Their team came, they went to our factory, they had all the discussions with us, and after doing their full research in India, they found us to be the best partners.
Wow.
Very big compliment for us. So,
That's actually very good in itself.
yes, this is what this is about. You have to
Right.
first of all have in your mind that I have to be honest partner, I have to be a good partner, I have to commit myself to that venture. Then you develop that relationship.
And it just goes on from there after that.
It goes on. For example, I'll share with you. I was lucky when in one of our this joint venture, our partner is our Russian. We have a Russian partner. So I went to Russia. Till that time, that gentleman had not even come to India. And he's my friend. His father does not even speak English. But we developed that relationship that we signed the joint venture papers and the
Wow.
project came up.
Wow, and that's how, because आपकी जितना आपके साल हो गए हैं, जितना experience है आपकी
जी.
industry को, आपके group को completely,
हाँ
that
जी.
just builds across the
Yes,
field.
yes, that helps.
But okay,
Yes.
steel sector we've talked about the healthcare sector, we talked
Yes.
about the power sector जिसमें आप dominant हैं इस समय.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
Any upcoming new ventures in the future few years now? इसके अलावा
In
probably in the zones also, कहीं आप और भी advent सोच रहे हैं किसी और country में, किसी और continent में आप?
actually, the continents that we are focusing on, they themselves has huge opportunities.
Okay.
So once we settle down well over there, we'll keep on expanding there. This is my view today, but with time, what new opportunity comes, I don't know. And as far as our existing portfolio is concerned, I see heavy engineering and heavy fabrication, machining. We have a facility in our group, Prime High Tech Engineering Limited. I see that as a very potential company. And we are already making many equipments in that which are being sold all across the world. So I see that company also growing very big in the coming future,
That's
along
really
with our other ventures.
Right. And one question, definitely, your father started this entire venture.
Yes, yes.
And then you've taken it and given it an altogether new face. Do you think there's a lot of pressure that you feel at times resting on your shoulders to carry in the lineage and the name that the father has given to the industry and to the group, Prime Group? Is that ever there a botheration or no? It's not there.
It's a good question. I never thought about it because no, you see, if you love your work, if you're passionate about your work, then you don't feel the pressure so much. It becomes a routine life.
Right.
I think that's for anybody, whether it's in business, whether it's in sports, any line of work. I don't know. I don't think so. I'm happy. I'm very thankful to God for the opportunities. I'm very thankful to my father. And
And
no
plus he would
pressure.
always be there whenever आपको एक advice चाहिए, एक second word चाहिए. He'll always be there as a
Of
backbone
course.
for it.
That is a very, very big advantage.
Yes.
That's a very, very big advantage.
So he's still there, completely omnipresent in every way
he-
that you would want him to be.
He's the
there
chairman
for.
of the group, and I work very closely with him. So it's a very, very big advantage that I can take his advice.
Right.
Of course, me being a younger person, sometimes my suggestion can be a little different than what he's thinking.
But he'd always take it into consideration.
Yes, it's a constructive discussion, and
Yes.
either I convince him or he convinces me. So
That's a very good father-son bondage, should we say, that's been going on. And in fact, we'll say that blessed for you for that matter.
No,
We
thank
hope
you.
कि आने वाले सालों में आप प्राइम ग्रुप को और भी बहुत आगे, बहुत ऊंचाइयों पे लेके जाएं.
No, thank
It's
you so
indeed been a
much.
pleasure. Thank you for having come to the DD Studios today and for having had this conversation with us, Rohan.
Yes,
Thank you
please.
so very much.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.